Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at all the accessories that I have on my Xiaomi M365. So let's get straight into it. So I'm going to start from the top. Right at the top, first thing you'll see is this. This is a retractable phone mount. It works really well, locks into place nice and neat. Put your phone in here and it won't move and it won't drop out over bumps. The thing with the Xiaomi is it's got very small tires, so it does feel all the bumps, and I've tried other phone mounts and what tends to happen is the phone will fall out. With this one, the way it's designed, it has these little grooves on either side, and then when you lock it, when you screw it in, it will start to tighten and hold into your phone size. So this one here I bought from eBay. I bought it for around £5 to £6. I'll leave link in the description below. So the second accessory that I've purchased is this, and this kit here. So it's just the base here. You get the top half with most of your if you have a GoPro or any action camera. Let me just unscrew it and show you. So the reason why I like this one is other ones you would have to attach it around your handle, and it takes up a lot of handle space considering the Xiaomi handle's not that long and you don't get that much space. So with this one here, it's a custom mold 3D printed that someone had done in, I think, Romania or Poland, and I purchased it from them. In total it costed, I think, £4 including shipping, so it was well worth it. And all it does, it slides into your light like so, and then you just tighten it and it'll hold your GoPro action camera in place. The third one I've removed off here just due to the fact that I don't need it anymore, but it is really handy if you lot want any extra space. As you can see, I don't have much space on my handlebar here right now. So what I had purchased is this. This attaches onto your handlebar and you can drop it lower like so, or have it up high, and what this does is it gives you another bar to apply any other accessories that you want. So initially I had my action camera attached to this pole to free up some space here, and I was going to put a light on there, but I end up not doing that. So yeah, this is a must, especially in the beginning when I was using my scooter. I wanted the handlebar to be a bit more free and have the action camera a bit lower or higher, so this helped quite a lot. So again, with all these items that I'm showing, I'll leave links in the description. And then as we start making our way down, you'll see this one's quite common with a lot of people. There's a few types that you can get, but the one I had purchased is an InHook. So when you put the bag in, it shouldn't drop out. Very hard to get it out of this little hole here. And this one just simply mounts into the original two screws. You don't get screws with this, you just use the original ones, which is also good because of the way they've done it. You don't need an extra long screw or anything like that. So this is great. I use this a lot when I go shopping. Just shove all my shopping on here. It does shake around a bit, but it's generally quite well. So going a bit more down, I got this here. This is great. This is a hand grip handle. So this allows you to pick up your whole Xiaomi scooter, and it's a lot more comfortable to hold. You get this thick rubber material, so you get a nice grip on it, and you can lift the whole scooter up once you fold it using this hand grip. The only downside to this is it tends to slide quite a lot up and down the scooter, as you can see. and due to the weight of the Xiaomi not being even, this does move, but for £5, well worth the buy, guys. Initially I thought it would look ugly on the scooter, but now I don't even notice it. It just comes in so handy. So the next thing that you would attach along this bar is one of these. So Mount the Wild Man, the most common Chinese bag ones you can get. This one's a 3 litre, so it's a lot bigger than most bags that you can get for the Xiaomi scooter. As you can see here, it's huge. But to be fair, guys, when I do long trips, I put my charger in here, I put my pump in here for my tires, a bottle of water, my wallet, my phone, and it all holds great. You get 4 straps, Velcro straps, and they just wrap around the handlebar at the top so that it doesn't slide down, and it just wraps around the main frame. This is, honestly, guys, I bought this one from eBay for around £11, probably the cheapest you're going to find for this size. It did take 3 weeks to come, but well worth it. Next accessory I'm going to show you. So this here, as you can see, I have blue LED lights on. And here's the battery pack which is powering that. So it is the LED strips that I had done in my previous videos. It's quite hard to show you, but yeah, it's the LED strips, and it plugs into this battery pack here. So I had opted to, I swapped out this for a rechargeable portable battery bank, which is just in here. You get all of this bag, you get 2 LED strips going on either side, and you get a remote switch, which I have mounted on to my scooter just to make it a bit easier to see. It's just there along the back, and that allows you to control the lighting, change the modes and the lighting, so it does make it a lot easier. As you can see, I can change it to whatever I want, guys. Really cool, and at night it does help a lot. I leave it on red, it's a lot more visible to see at night. So again, it depends on what you're using your scooter for. You can have it for show, or you can just have it for safety at night, and that is the reason why I have it. The next thing I've done on my Xiaomi scooter is this is a bumper strip. It goes around the whole board, and guys, honestly, this has taken a lot of battering. Again, I've uploaded a separate video on how to install it, but this has been probably one of the best purchases just to look after and maintain your Xiaomi scooter. That was my biggest concern, bashing it around, taking it in and out of doors, and this has helped so much. So yeah, it's great. Again, this is around £3-4, well worth it, and it gives it a slight different look as well. It gives it a nice little red outline, considering mine's a black and red scooter. Again, this is a little rubber mount, and this goes where you would hook the arm down. It just hooks into here, and this just helps to give it slightly a bit more grip, and it aesthetics, it makes it look red again. Moving down, we have this. It's quite hard to see it because of the color, it blends in, but this is a rubber, and this is just to protect the foot that's resting on concrete, or whenever you're out and about, and when you're scraping it to remove it up, or forgetting it to put it up and it scrapes, this rubber stops that from scraping. It's just a little extra thing to protect my scooter. Moving on to the back tire, guys. So before we look at this, we have this here, and this, everyone probably knows what this is by now, it's everywhere, but this helps to prevent the back brake wire. If I can show you, just up there, It helps to protect the back brake wire from wearing out, which is quite common with this scooter. I installed mine ages ago, and guys, it's not let me down. It hasn't broke, and I've stepped on the back before and it's still there, strong. Again, it's like £2, £3. It's dirt cheap. The final thing, and this again is one of those must, if you want to look after and maintain your scooter. This I bought very recently, and I used it on one of my YouTube videos. It's a pry tool. You get 3 levers here, and it's just absolutely amazing to change your tires with this. Using this kit here, it took me around 15 minutes in total to remove and put back on a new tire and an inner tube. So honestly guys, it's a must. So yeah, these are all the accessories that I've currently put on my Xiaomi scooter. I'll leave links in the description on every single item that I've purchased and where you can buy it from and how much it cost. But yeah guys, other than that, if you like this video, please like and sub. That would be great, and I'll be doing a lot more.